At this canteen on Longhua Street community, 2 smart cooking machines have replaced a stove. The chef only needs to punch in the dishes he wants and add in the ingredients. 3 minutes later, it's bon appetit.
The flavor is perfect, maybe because it was made by a machine.
Every day, the canteen serves about 400 customers and delivers another 200 meals. Previously, chefs needed to arrive as early as 5 o'clock to start their shift. Up to 2 kilograms of ingredients can be used at one time, and the machine can figure out the most popular dishes.
There will be data about how much food we sell at the end of the month. Based on that, we know which dishes to keep and which should be replaced with new items.
At this neighborhood canteen at Xuhui Street community, a smart steam oven reduces cooking times by 50%.
Most of our customers are seniors, so we need to appeal to their tastes.
The Xuhui District Civil Affairs Bureau said they will introduce more smart technologies in the future to give seniors an easier life. 宋文静，上海 Live。